Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process for your Dyson SV47, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver set. It's crucial to have these tools ready for a smooth operation. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and lay it down on a clean, flat surface. This will help you avoid any accidental damage. Start by removing the dustbin. Simply press the release button and pull it off. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the top cover. Typically, there are 3 screws located near the handle and 1 hidden underneath the dustbin slot. After unscrewing these, gently lift the top cover off. Be careful with the connections. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it loose gently. Now, you should see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum to ensure optimal performance once reassembled. To access the motor, you will need to remove additional screws from the motor housing. Use your Torx screwdriver for this step. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place, as you'll need them for reassembly. If you feel overwhelmed by the process or lack the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you don't have to worry about handling it all on your own. Once the screws are out, disconnect the motor wires by gently pulling them off. Remember the color codes of the wires for easy reconnection later. Now, slide the old motor out of its housing. Take a moment to inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. Grab your new Dyson motor, and before installation, make sure it matches the old one. Insert the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the motor wires according to the color codes you noted earlier. If you're unsure, refer to the manual or online resources for guidance. Next, replace the screws that secure the motor housing. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure a secure fit. Now, it's time to reattach the top cover. Align it properly and push it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. After everything is tightly assembled, before you plug in your vacuum, perform a quick check to ensure all screws are tightened and there are no leftover pieces. After confirming everything is in order, plug in the Dyson SV47 and test the functionality of the new motor. If you encounter issues, no worries, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Finally, clean up your workspace, making sure you dispose of any old parts responsibly. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for help. Now, you're ready to enjoy your freshly repaired Dyson SV47 vacuum cleaner, ensuring your home stays clean and dust-free. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.